Have you seen a digital giraffe? Meet Skeptical Joe, open-minded Linda, and no, it's not a giraffe yet, just Martin. Like Charlie's Angels, they all have a task. Without any previous knowledge or particular skills, they need to make high-quality photos, a 360-degree virtual tour, and a floor plan of this beautiful flat. But don't worry, they'll have help. A Giraffe 360. Yes, you heard it right. So let's get started. Both guys go like, let's see what it is, and then figure out where to put it. While Linda prepares for the unknown, come what may, at least she'll have a tripod for it. Not impressed? At least now you know where Skeptical Joe got his nickname. Oh please, you call this the newest tech? Seems like there is a more exciting version of the giraffe in Linda's box than in the others. No, the giraffe looks the same. I guess it's just the glass half full kind of attitude. But look what Mr. Tower has managed to build already. His own Eiffel. Meanwhile, Joe isn't high on all this, because you don't pull Iron Man to do the ironing, right? Wait a minute, that's all it takes. So where should I put my extra power and skills? Honestly, we're crazy about our giraffe, but we have never felt as excited about it as Linda. Only 2 buttons? What am I going to do for the rest of my day? One touch and boom! Now I've seen it all. If the giraffe can surprise Joe, I believe it can do anything, and I mean anything. Okay, that's it. Call me when you're done. I'll be on a couch. Well, should I say cheese? No dear, you should leave, unless you want a virtual tour of yourself for your family album. Because yes, it's really that simple. You take it out of the box, set it up on a tripod, turn it on, and press the button. Giraffe will do the rest. The camera will make high-resolution photos for a website and for a virtual tour itself. Plus, you will get a ready-made floor plan. That's how cool the giraffe is.